I'm Brian Verheeren. All right, so we're walking into Jordan Hayward's office. He's kind of the brains behind the organization.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey,
Brian?
Jordan. Looks like we got you doing something here, huh?
My hands are tight.
Well, I told the people that we have kind of a small win, a project that we're just wrapping up.
Oh, okay.
And the microblast system. So do you mind kind of telling people a little bit about what that is?
Yeah, sure. Well, this idea kind of came up a couple weeks ago that clients would want to have a way to mass email all of their clients. And so what we put together is an app called Microblast that allows them to just mass send out all of these email messages to their clients based on templates that they can easily build out. So we're just wrapping it up now, pushing it out, and that's in essence what that application is.
So people can send out templates to their clients,
yeah.
and you know, with customized messages in there,
yep.
and they can track what's going on with them.
Yeah, all the metrics, all the analytics that you would want to know, who opened it, all those types of things are built into it. So
okay, and then this is something that's built native onto the RealCove platform, right?
Yeah, it really is just another one of the hundreds of apps that we have in our platform here.
Okay, so a pretty robust system that sits on our platform, and so we don't just do these type of. We're not just an email newsletter company. This is something that sits on our platform.
It's just another application like many of the other applications that we have, and sits on the platform. And many of them like this are pretty complex, but it just shows the real strength of the platform.
So who should be afraid of this particular app that we've built?
You know, I really think guys out there like MailChimp, Razora, iMail, all those guys would really be pretty scared about this. Constant contact, definitely.
So built in within our system is this fairly robust but simple and easy to use app that we can do that. So
yes.
That's pretty cool. Well, the background on this, I guess, maybe we can explain that a little bit, is you and I were talking about, hey, we have just done something really pretty cool and we want to have a delivery method to do that. So what was it, about earlier this year we rolled out about 1,500 websites, and how long was that?
That was about a day and a half time.
Day and a half, and so really pretty fast to be rolling those out. I think we'd estimated,
I'd say,
what was it, about one every minute and a half?
It was about one every minute and a half using one of our apps to build them.
Yeah, so we had an app that was going and building custom websites for a particular custom need, a microsite on there.
Yeah.
And then we said, well, let's build this tool so that we can send this out to people.
Well, it's the reason that app is really cool is it's not just an online brochure like a lot of things that you'll see out there. I mean, it was pulling in extensive data about all sorts of things, pulling it all in, aggregating it about our clients and about what they were trying to push out, and it built it in about a minute and a half. Yeah. So it was pretty complex.
By my count, it was 6 different data sources that we were pulling information on.
Yeah, that's about right.
So that was just an app, and that was built on the RealCove platform,
yep.
So kind of the website builder, content management system component of that.
Yep.
So we said, okay, let's build this. So that kind of gives you a little idea of the, what's the term that you used? Was it the ecosystem? Ecosystem on that. So that's kind of, sorry to lead you on that, but that's, you know, an ecosystem that we've created where people can go and build out apps and so forth on that. So pretty kind of a powerful thing. So with that, you built that out in a couple of weeks, and our platform made it pretty easy, right?
Platform makes things like that super easy. I mean, as a developer, I love it because I can go in and build apps like this in the website builder in just a matter of a couple days to a week. So it makes my job super easy to do these kind of things, and other developers that want to provide apps like this for their clients, it's extended so they can come in, they can build apps, they can have them in an ecosystem like what we provide, and now it's wide open to the world and all of the rest of our thousands of clients.
Excellent. So what's next on the docket?
Actually, we're building another really nice app This one kind of came about because we had a real estate client that wanted to be able to search for properties, typically on a tablet like so. And so they came to us because part of the problem was they didn't want to build a custom app for an iPad, another one for Android, another one for the desktop. So what we did, just like all of our other apps, we build them in HTML5. So it's quick, it's efficient, and it goes across all these different devices so their clients can go and use them. And it pulls in data, again, from multiple sources. So it's very clean data. The agents can use that to track what their clients are actually searching for. It's a great marketing tool for them because it looks like from the agent that they built this great expansive tool, and they can put that in the hands of all their clients. So it makes them look great, makes them look like they're spending $1 billion on their marketing, and then their clients get really, really great tools to be able to search for their next home.
So if the buzz or the trend is mobile computing, then what does this mean?
It means that we can take care of all those things. It's not just one device we're developing for here. In a mobile environment where people are spending more and more time on their tablets and their phones, that means that anyone that's using our ecosystem, our platform, can have their marketing and their tools and their presence outside in front of their clients. Yes. So all of our tools are available in any device that you're out there on, whether it's on your TV, whether it's on your desktop, whether it's on your iPhone. It's all there.
So RealCove supports mobile app development.
Definitely.
Very cool.
It's our core, really.
Very cool. Well, so you're building a real estate tablet app, so who should be afraid of this particular app?
Oh man, there are so many out there. You've got Realtor.com, you've got Zillow, there's lots out there that try to provide things like this. But of course, all those guys, they're locked into apps, app frameworks that they have to build a different one for every environment. And everybody knows when they do that for different environments, that's different experiences, and you got upset customers because they use one and it works differently. With us, it goes across all the different devices.
So mobile app platform is what we're talking about as well.
Yeah, definitely. It's okay. All those things.
Well, as well. We have also, this is open to other developers and third parties and things like that. So tell us maybe about one of your favorite third-party apps that we have on our system.
You know, it's kind of funny. We have this ecosystem here, this platform, that can support other so-called platforms. One, for instance, would be if you wanted to go out and blog or put a blog on your website, you could drop in WordPress. WordPress is just another app on our system. Simply drag and drop it in, and it creates a blog. You're all ready to go and start blogging on your website.
So within your website, you've got kind of all the power of the RealCove platform, but you also, we say, hey, WordPress is really good at blogging, and so we're going to include that as an app in our system.
Right.
Okay, so that's pretty powerful. So if our site is a content management system, who should be afraid of us with that?
Oh man, for content management, you've got guys that's their core focus, like Weebly. You've got website builders out there like 1&1 and dozens of others that's their core focus is just this content management system, but they're limited in a lot of respects. And I think that's, where we go above and beyond is we allow this app framework that allows other developers to come in and extend and build apps on as well.
So, and then we've got things like WordPress and Drupal and Joomla. But the drawback of those systems is you need a developer to help you set those up.
Definitely.
Whereas our system, you don't need to do that. So we have a platform out there where you can go and drop in any number of apps just like you might on a smartphone.
That's exactly it.
And so it does exactly what you want it to do, and it performs a whole bunch of functions. So what sort of limits does RealCove have?
In that case, I mean, it's maybe I'm biased, but I don't think there are a whole lot of limits. If you consider what we do here as a company, we have 3 full-time employees. And we've been able to build out this ecosystem to allow other developers to come in, build apps that they can extend out to their clients. We have a platform that you can drop other platforms into as a simple app and extend it in that way. So there's really unlimited powers and unlimited devices that all of our platform can be viewed and seen on.
So you mentioned there's 3 of us. Not a hard count, but how many sites do we host?
Last check, a couple thousand.
Yeah, so thousands
and thousands of websites out there that are using us. And in addition to that, we do so many other things besides just the content management and the apps. We have lots of customers that look at us as like a source for other types of solutions like data translation and all sorts of things. So there's a lot of things that we can do through this platform.
Yeah, we need to get you a look at the database because it's a lot more than a couple thousand on that. But yeah, that's, but the point is just a few of us are managing some pretty robust stuff. And in our point of view, the RealCove platform is limited only to the imagination of the populace.
That's exactly right.
Very cool. Yeah. Well, that kind of sums it up. We're talking to the brains behind the organization. And I just wanted to kind of give you a preview of another quick win. So if you're interested in learning a little more about our microblast system for your business usage or any of the other apps that we're doing, give us a call.
Cool. Thanks.
Here we have the Stig, who's going to be doing the test driving of all of our services here.